Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my marble run that I've just built, and it's really cool. So this is the box for it, and it comes with 60 pieces, and yeah, and that's them just showing you what they've done. So yeah, I'll just be showing you my marble run that I've did, and if you want to copy mine, you can. I don't really mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna start from the beginning, which is over there. So that's the beginning. So I put one of those pieces there, and then two normal ones, and then that's a little curvy piece. Then we've got, I think it's easier if I just show you. So first, you actually start from here. You put the marble in there. It goes round. It falls down. Does that. And goes there. Okay, so that is that little one. Then, it's joined with this really cool one. Let me just get it. Okay, so you start from here. Oh, it's a bit stuck. Oh no, it's getting stuck. How did that happen? Oh, well. So, there's a hole there. So it would go like that. Then it would fall in. So I'll need to fix that. Okay, so now I am going to show you, I think, I'll go with that. It's a really short one. Oh, that fell out as well. Oh no, it didn't fall out, right? I'll just do that one again. There. Oh, there's a hole in here. So it's really hard to build it because one side has a hole. I just left that. So one side has a hole and one doesn't. So it's sometimes really hard. But yeah, so now I'm going to show you my other one. So that's probably my favorite. And this one where you... So I'm just going to show you this part again, because it's really cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And I'm just going to show you the box again, so you can get it. It's called Super Marble Run. Bye guys.